Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to remove the background from an image using Canva. So let's get started. First open Google and type canva.com. Click on the first link that appears. Once you are on the Canva homepage, look to the left side of the screen and click on templates. Now on the right side, scroll until you find YouTube thumbnail and click on it. Next, click Create New YouTube Thumbnail. A blank editor will open up. On the left menu, scroll down and click on the Apps icon. In the search bar at the top, type Background and from the suggestions, select Background Eraser. Click on the first icon and then hit Open. Now click Choose File and upload an image from your PC. Select the image you want to use and click Open. Then click on Remove Background. It may take a few seconds to process, so wait for the loading to finish. Once done, you'll see that the background has been erased successfully. Now you can freely adjust or place the image wherever you want on your thumbnail. And that's it. Quick and simple. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.